Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Instagram step by step. So this is super useful if you want to control who can see your content without having to block them. So first, go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap on your followers list. This will show you everyone who is currently following you. From here, you can either scroll through the list or you can use the search bar at the top to find a specific person you want to remove. Now, once you find the follower, look at the right side of their name. So you'll see a remove button. Or in my case, I'm going to click on the X button to remove them and tap on remove to confirm. Now, Instagram will remove your follower. And that's it. The person is now removed from your followers list. Now, here's something important. When you remove a follower, they are not notified. So they won't know you remove them unless they check your profile and notice they're no longer following you. Also, if your account is private, they won't be able to follow you again unless you approve the request. But if your account is public, they can still follow you again anytime unless you block them. So if you want to completely prevent someone from following you again, you might want to block them instead. Another quick tip: regularly checking and cleaning your followers can help improve your privacy and even your engagement, especially if you're building a brand or content page. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can remove followers on Instagram step by step. So again, click on the X icon and tap on remove to confirm. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.